Topic 4.3, expressions. Alright, so we've learned about how to use the order of operations to simplify numerical expressions, just numbers with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in the proper order. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use the order of operations to simplify what are called algebraic expressions. An expression that has a variable in there. So, not too difficult. So let's just go ahead and review a couple things on the next slide. Operation PEMDAS. Remember this? We've got the order of operations. We do parentheses first, then any exponents after that. Then you have multiplication and division, basically going from left to right. And then you have addition and subtraction, whichever is first, from left to right. You can also use that mnemonic, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, to remember the order of operations. That'll help you out. Usually just kind of write this out on the side of your paper and kind of check it off as you're going through. Another thing you need to know about this lesson for expressions is we're going to be dealing with variables. Remember, those are letters or symbols that can be in the equation, like A to represent any number, Z, anything that you could substitute a number in to solve. So, same thing as the last lesson, you'll have a variable in the expression, and just kind of take that accordingly as you work out the order of operations. I'll see you on the next slide. Let's use the expression A divided by 2 plus 5. Right? And let's say that A equals 4. Right, so following that, you just take 4, substitute it in there for the variable of A, and we can go ahead and do that here. 4 divided by 2 plus 5 equals. So following the order of operations, PEMDAS, no parentheses, no exponents. So we have multiplication or division. Yes, we got division there. So you're going to go ahead and do 4 divided by 2. That will get you 2. Plus the 5. That will give you 7. Alright, let's go ahead and say, get rid of all that. Let's go ahead and say that A equals 8. Let's go 8. So if A equals 8, following PEMDAS, you just plug it in. We got 8 divided by 2. That's going to give us 8 divided by 2 plus 5. It's going to give us 4 plus 5, following the order of operations, to get us 9, if the A equals 8. So, simple, should be, just following the order of operations, plugging in the variable that goes with it. Again, these are called, let me spell it out here for you, algebraic expressions. Remember, expression is just a math sentence that can be solved. So algebraic means that it's involving variables and an equal sign in there. Alright, so let's try some more. How about we go with 2x divided by 7 minus 1 equals. Alright. Alright, so we're using x in there, so we know that, well, let's go ahead and get an amount for x. Let's say x equals 9. Alright, so looking at this, we have to, well, first of all, how is evaluating this algebraic expression different from what you were doing before, from simplifying the numerical expression? Okay, basically it's you have to substitute or solve for the algebra first, and then you go through all the steps. So here we're going to take the 9, substitute it for that x there first, which is going to get us 18. And then we'll go ahead and fill in the rest here. 7 minus 1 equals. All right, following our PEMDAS, are you writing this on the side of your paper? Following our order of operations. All right, do we have parentheses? Ooh, yes we do. 7 minus 1, what does that equal? 6. All right, so we've got that. Any more exponents? No exponents on this one. Multiplication and division, we've got division there. So let's bring that down. 18 divided by 6, we can solve that. That would be 3. So, remember, you always have to solve the algebra first. Substitute in for that variable there. And then you just follow the order of operations and you should be okay. For your Google form over here, I'm going to give you one problem. That's it. You're getting off easy tonight. See if you can solve this one. Let's go with 2 times open parentheses. Let's use j. J squared minus 8 equals. And j, we're going to say, is equal to 4. All right. Try that one problem out over there. You better double check it. Make sure that you're following the order of operations there. And submit your answers. And I will see you in the morning.